How to add payment method on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome to our channel and let's get started. For this, open up your preferred web browser and go to the official Shopify's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the upper left corner and select settings. Now from the settings page, select payments option right here. Right here, you'll be able to see some of the payment methods that are Shopify's approved payment providers. So you can go ahead and activate one of these. If not, tap on this add payment method option right here. And now search for your payment method. You can go ahead and activate the card that you want. If you want to add some manual payment methods, click on this option right here. And now select whether you want to do it cash, bank, or card. And that's it. Once done, tap on save button. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next video.